Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since our last video, but we've been quite busy working here on Elsie, and today I'll show you what we've done. It's all about our electrical system. We weren't planning all this at the beginning, but what started as a simple let's change the leisure battery has soon become something way bigger. Now in this video I want to focus on what we use for our electrical system, but keep always in mind that what works for us might not work for you, so just do all your research first and make sure that whatever you're doing, it works for you. There is a post on our website in which I go deeper on what we use and why, so if you haven't done it yet, just make sure you check it out because you might find more information. I'll leave the link for that in the description, and always in the description I'm gonna leave the links for all the parts we used. They're affiliate links, so that means that if you buy the product using our link, your final cost won't change, but we earn a commission on that, so it's a good way for us to support the channel and to support this project. Okay, back to us. Here's what we've done. We went for a Fogstar 280 Ah lithium battery. Again, do your research before to choose lithium over a lead acid battery. In all our previous experiences, in fact, we always had the AGM battery, a good AGM battery, and especially if you use the motorhome or the camper van just over weekends and not always off-grid, you may save a lot of money just going for an AGM battery and have the same result. Anyway, to keep the battery charged, at the moment we have two ways: using the alternator while the engine is running, and using a 230 volt battery charger if we're hooked up somewhere. Later on, we're gonna add a solar panel on the roof so we can stay off-grid as long as possible. Now, to charge the battery using the alternator, we have this DC-DC charger that basically takes the current tension coming from the alternator and adjusts it accordingly to what the lithium battery needs. We run a new line straight from the engine battery to here, with its fuse and its isolator switch, and this device is a Bluetooth unit, so we can always keep an eye on what's going on. Underneath here, we have a Fogstar battery charger which will work when we're connected through the external hookup. So let's talk now about the 230 volt system. So we saved all we could from the existing system, and that includes this power unit. I've modified a couple of things on that, but mainly just to remove the old battery charger. Basically, the idea is to power this unit using the inverter when we're off-grid and using the shore power we're hooked up somewhere. But how can we do that? This is the answer. It's a priority switch, and both our lines, inverter and hookup, are going to this unit. The priority is always on shore line, but as soon as this is no longer available, it switches onto the inverter automatically. But there is one more interesting thing about this switch. In fact, there is one thing that we don't want to power when we're using the inverter, and that is the battery charger. It'll be pointless to use the battery to charge itself, right? So, whatever you want to run just when the shore power is available, there is this output here, and that's gonna have power just when we're connected to the hookup. So we talked about the inverter, and that's the one we're using. It's a Renault G1000 watt. It's a pure sine inverter, and over here we've got is a remote controller. The last thing I want to show you is this one. It's a battery monitor, and it's the most accurate way to check the state of your battery. It monitors all the current coming in and coming out, and it gives you an accurate state of charge. It has Bluetooth, so you can have all this information on your phone and you can check on them from everywhere in a 10 meters range. Okay, that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful for you guys, but if you have any questions, just pop them down in the comments and I'll answer you. And as usual, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel so we can grow as a community, and I'll see you guys in the next video.